Hey, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. We have got a change of weather coming. But yesterday I went out and I worked, and I want to show you some of the stuff that I got accomplished. Finished pruning the pear tree. Decided to thin out part of the hazelnut. Cut back the rows of Sharons. For some reason, they were all growing sideways. Just began trimming on the hardy kiwi. Time to let out the chickens. Morning, everybody. I want to show you I have 2 hens that are sitting. This one's been sitting for a while, and this one wants out. So let me let her out for a little while. Hey, baby girl. You need out for a little while? Go ahead. Why are you freaked out? I've got some girls working. Oh, good. She's gonna lay back down, I think. Wonder what her thing was. This one's hen should be hatching in just a few days. Hey, girl. Well, the last one's out, huh? I have to kind of hurry and do this because we have a big front coming in. It's supposed to be bringing snow and stuff. Here's another pear tree that I finished. I'm taking you out to what I call my survivor tree. So this has delicious plums that are like Santa Rosas. Years ago, I wanted it cut down, but they said, no, let's just cut it part way and see what it's like. So you can see where they cut it. But then out came this growth right here, which has gotten huge. So I did a lot of cleanup, cut out the middle, cut out the, there's a broken branch there, cut out all the uprights. I want to show you something special about this type of tree. Most of the trees are very smooth, their stems, but look at this. These huge things are all gigantic thorns. I had to be really careful when I was cutting this so that it didn't fall on me, and it did not, I didn't grab them wrong. And the last major tree I did was this cherry tree. So I cleared out the center, and you can see how wide this is. I'm really glad that I got that new saw. So it'll be nice and open now and reachable. I'm going to take some of these little branches in, and I'm going to force the blooms inside. That'll be really cheerful.